ngayon, sagutin mo ko ngayon. Ipapatawag mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? O hindi, o hindi. Tell me now, para tapos tayo.
sir,
So alam natin kung non-crime o crime ito. Tell me, yes or no?
Sandali.
Patatawagin mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? You tell me now.
Let me speak.
Hmm.
So we will have this
Yes or
interview
no?
now.
Yes or no? No, yes or no?
This is not a court. You can't do that, sir. Huh?
So hindi nyo patatawag. Hindi,
Let me finish.
sinabi niya
Let me
non-crime.
finish, sir.
Sinabi niya non-crime. Sinabi mo, hindi non-crime. So, if you're investigating a crime, ang tinuturo ng mga 18 ay maaring, hindi ko sinasabing guilty, maaring gumawa ng krimen, ipatatawag mo ba?
Yan.
Just tell me, dumaldal ka na ng dumaldal, hanggang gusto mo. Sagutin mo lang ako, oo hindi.
Are you about done, sir? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we will have an investigation. If the evidence points to them, if there's sufficient evidence, then we will do so. Ipapatawag din po namin sila.
No,
So,
Attorney
may
Mundo,
proseso po, may proseso.
I was going to mention that. If you want to establish the identities of the Marines, including myself and my wife, Attorney Levy already stated the IDs were given downstairs and you can verify, and the serial numbers are with him. So, what I'm saying is, if the identities is the one that you want to establish, then that's it. That's why I'm saying it's a non-crime. Now, if it's a crime investigation, then you should call on those they pointed to. Kasi establish yun ang identity eh. Yun lang ang gusto nyo establish eh. So once you have established their identities, yung tinuro nila, patawag nyo rin. Now it becomes a crime.
Sir,
But if kung sila lang imbestigahan ninyo, then it's a biased, crime investigation of the people complaining.
Sir,